The Resources tool within iLearn is used as the main storage facility for all documents, readings, files, and more within a course or project site. As a best practice, the Resources tool is best used in conjunction with the Lessons tool to create an easy-to-follow interface for content delivery and student engagement. The Resources tool is a course-dependent tool. Let's see how it works. First and foremost, you will keep all of your files organized by creating a folder. This will help all of your students locate files easily. Click on the Actions drop-down menu and then click on Create Folder. Go ahead and give your new folder a name. We suggest creating naming conventions for all your folders and files as they relate to your syllabus for easy navigation. Once you have named your folder, click on Create Folder now. To upload files to your folder, click on the Actions drop-down menu and select Upload Files. You have two options for uploading files. You can either drag and drop a file as shown here, or click on the drag and drop box and browse your computer for your file. You can add more than one file at a time. Once you have selected all of your files, click on Continue and your new files will be uploaded. You can easily change the settings of folders and files, such as title and availability. To change settings, click on the Actions drop-down button and click Edit Details. Here, you can change the title. Scroll down and here you can show or hide your files from your students as you please. Under the Additional Access section, you can check off any of the three access options and choose the date and time that you want it to be visible to your students. This is helpful if there are certain documents or folders that you do not want to release to your students until a certain date. Click Update at the bottom to save the changed settings. You will now see that the hidden folders are grayed out. Next, we will review how to organize your files into different folders. Check the box next to the file that you want to move, and click the Move button at the top. Check off Additional Files if you want to move multiple files to the same destination at the same time. As you can see, a clipboard icon will appear. Click on this icon associated with the other folder you want to move your files to, and all of the files you have checked off will move into this new folder. Please note, think twice before you link or move files. If a file or folder is linked in another tool, such as Lessons, please remember once the file is moved, you will need to relink the file within Lessons. Otherwise, the link will be broken. You can also move files or folders to the trash as well. Do this by clicking on the Actions drop-down menu and select Move to Trash. You can either remove or cancel from there.